And we should be live. Yes, I get a green bars. I'm seeing green bars everywhere.
All right.
Episode
By the way, I was
19.
thinking about this. All the content creators, all the cool ones, I just got a notification, so
Mm-hmm.
that's a good sign.
Mm-hmm.
All the cool ones have like thumbnails and stuff, and like the people with different facial expressions. We should do something like that where we just take pictures with facial expressions, like thumbs ups or sad or
Oh
frowny
yeah, yeah,
faces
yeah,
or
yeah, yeah.
whatever.
But they
And,
also do the thing where they're like, "My app doesn't work. You won't believe why." And I'm like,
exactly right. Okay, cursor just shut down for some reason.
"Oh gosh, strong start."
Hi, everyone. Welcome to episode 19. Oh, cursor just decided to restart on its own.
Okay, maybe it did an update just now or something. What do you think?
I'm I'm not sure. It's trying to start.
Or did it crash
So
when we were trying to do whatever that merge was just now, or that commit?
it crashed when we tried to do a simple commit and push
I
to the main
guess.
branch,
I guess.
to the trunk. Okay.
If it makes you
Oh
feel better,
boy.
that M went away.
Oh boy. This is going to be a fun episode.
This is, yeah, we're starting off strong. We'll see how this goes.
How are you doing, by the way? It's been a bit. For
Yeah,
those
it's
of
been
you at
forever.
home.
I just got back from Vegas, so that was cool to see everyone talking about March Madness and gambling up a storm and me running around. Yeah, I was really exhausted. I got sick when I came back, of course, so I'm glad I had a couple days to just like recover.
Yeah. So didn't watch any of the games, or you
I didn't
did?
watch any of the games.
No.
I'm not a
Okay.
March Madness guy, but it was fun to
Yeah.
see all these Midwesterners running around with all their polos and stuff and getting all fucked up, basically.
That's just a normal day.
That's
It's just
true.
like
Yeah,
every
that's
day.
true. They, they,
Yeah,
they, they would have done that back in, Indiana or wherever they were coming from
that's right.
anyway.
Exactly. Right. All right. So what are we talking about today?
Party combat. We're finishing up. I think I want to say it was episode 17 that we last got combat going with, and then we started partying up. But now I'm hoping that, I mean, my hope today is that we party up and then we enter combat and both of our actions hit the spider. That's kind of what I'm envisioning
Okay.
in my mind. Yeah.
Awesome.
Mhm.
So I guess maybe we just fire up the game.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Start there.
And
Um,
I will also be on. Gonna wake up that server. And then from there, we can start making some local changes and push up. Pretty much what people would probably say isn't the right way of developing, but I think it's I think it's perfectly fine.
as far as doing it locally and testing it in production, well,
Yeah,
in our case,
exactly.
development.
Right, pushing
Yeah.
to see, pushing to see your
Yep.
changes.
Yep. Absolutely. 100%. Anyone following this later, we do know what we're doing,
Yeah,
but
don't do that at your real job.
do as we say, not as we do.
Exactly, exactly. Don't do that at your real job. All right, I am good and logged in.
I see you.
Cool.
I
Sup,
see
dude?
you playing.
Sup,
How
Clerky?
you doing?
I'm just
This is
dancing a
me
little
pressing the
bit.
space bar to jump, by the way.
All right, cool.
I'm pressing the space bar to jump.
You don't like jumping though, huh? I'm so sad about that. I think it'd be funny. I think it'd be good. I think it even fits this game, actually. I'm willing to fight you on that one a little
Okay,
bit.
well, you can do it on the side without me knowing. You'll
That's
just
fair.
add
Yeah,
the
yeah,
space
yeah.
bar. Yeah.
I'm gonna add a Konami code to activate jump.
That's right. Up, down, A, B, whatever.
No, that'll let you fly around the entire game.
Oh, really? That's awesome. Am I inviting you, or are you the party leader?
You can invite me. How about that?
All right.
Yep. Cool.
Oh,
And
wow.
you
That
should
took a while.
see working party. Oh yeah, because you haven't seen my QA. You haven't done QA probably on the changes that I've made for party, right?
I don't think so.
No worries.
Maybe.
Check it out. Did you notice how we're green now, or I'm green now on my?
Oh, I didn't.
Yeah, yeah. So
That's new.
let me leave the
Yep.
party.
Yep. And even on the mini map, you show up as green.
Shit, how do I leave the party? I added that.
Did you?
I did.
Did you right mouse click on the?
I am, but I don't know how I leave the party. Can you just kick me out of the party? I did that at least.
Yeah.
How about that? Yeah. Cool. And now you see my name is back to white,
Yep.
right? Yeah.
Yep.
And then there's one more thing that I wanted to show you, but basically, if we both partied up and then like another player was running around, we're now in cyan color. I think to them, if that makes sense.
So green is if you're in the party. That's what party people look like. And
Yep.
then if I take this and copy it and open it in a different
Yep.
browser, we
Yep.
should
If you want to
see
play,
it as
yep. Yep.
cyan.
Yep. Mm-hmm.
We're about to find out.
Yeah. And I did QA my work, except I literally while doing this, no notice I didn't create a way for you to leave the party, so that's stupid of me.
You're in the party forever until the
Exactly, until you get
party
kicked.
leader says nope, no more.
Exactly. So let me add that in the linear really quickly. That's embarrassing. I forgot one requirement for myself.
Jasper sees us as white, but
Ooh, does he? It should be cyan. Huh. Okay. I did test locally. I did not test on dev. Oh, I see it. I see you as white, and you see both of us as white. I presume then.
yep.
Okay, got it. Then I will.
I mean, I can kick you out, and you can invite Jasper, and then on my screen, I should be able to see you guys as cyan.
Sure. I hope we'll see.
So I removed you. You go ahead and. Oh, see, it is. It
so
is
that's a
cyan.
weird bug. I wonder why you came in. Wow. Okay, let me note this real quick. So, party features ability to leave a party. Also, not seeing cyan for party players on a init. I could not tell you why that is the case.
Maybe because they weren't in the game at the time.
I have
the party
no
was formed?
clue. I have no clue. I'll have to dig into that one.
Because it was stored on the server, maybe in cache.
I'm not sure. Or maybe
Okay.
that like another thing that I could have is that the socket didn't come through to provide the user that the Jasper that they were in a party. I'm really not too sure.
Let me out. I don't want to be in your party anymore. Jasper
kick you.
hates
I'll
this
kick
party.
you.
You
I'll
guys are a
kick
bunch
you.
of noobs. He's level 3 and y'all are level 1s. He's like, get me out of this party of nubs. All right, Jasper's going away.
All right, Clerkly, I'm gonna invite you and then promote you. Let's at least do some more QA while we're here.
Okay.
Oh, and I did some other. Oh man, this is what I should have done. Let me kick you out, and then I'm gonna add you, Clerky. Oh, is Jasper gone already?
Yeah, do you want me back in?
Can you have him back? Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm gonna invite Clerky, and then if you can have Jasper invite Clerky at the same time before you click accept.
Sure. Oh, shit. Sorry.
So these were the last things that I got done, and I can't explain the cyan thing just yet. But that's the only bug that I think I didn't cover, I guess.
Hold on a second. Jasper is hiding. Here's Jasper. Enter the game. Hi, Jasper. So, do you want me to invite Jasper or Jasper to invite?
Clerky,
Okay.
and then see what Clerky's happens. What happens on Clerky's screen? I mean, sorry.
Sure. What in the world? Okay. Invite to party.
Let's go.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's great.
Mm-hmm.
So if I say deny to Jasper,
Oh, that's a bug. I didn't even try that one. Let's see.
oh,
I'm glad you found this. I never got there. That's crazy. Okay. So if a user, let's see. Oh, and another thing, check out the mini map once. Oh, go ahead and accept me or something. I'll write this bug down as well. I don't know why that happened.
I think I froze because my windows. I have too many windows.
I see. Okay, let me add that bug though. Bug.
I noticed that the mini map color changed green. If that's what you were saying
That's
when I
exactly
froze
what it
up.
is. Now you can see
Okay.
party members. Yes, as they're running
Yeah, I
around.
like
Yeah.
that. That
Cool.
was a
Cool.
great addition.
All right. Cool. I'm gonna go bug. Sorry. 1 second. Bummer that we found a bug already. I was hoping that would be perfect. Bug. If you click deny on a party invite when there are multiple, it just goes crazy.
Yeah, it doubles the number of people.
Yeah.
It
All
doubles the
right.
number of invitations.
All right. All right. Well, got some documented stuff to work on. Cool. Cool.
Oh, it's interesting. So like Zim here, um, he shows up as green on the mini map. Oh, holy crap! You see what's happening with
I
my chat?
do. I do. I see it on your chat service.
Let me
And
do
yeah, I
something.
think it's because that Croonin guy was already green on the mini map, so maybe we'll have to come up with a different color.
Yeah,
Yeah, I just threw up green for party members, but you're right, that's a problem.
this is fun.
This is the token thing from before.
Yep.
Ugh.
I think we have to go into session storage, right?
Did we not fix that? I thought I could have sworn I came up with something, or you came up with something on that. That sucks.
I don't
Wait
think I
and
did.
see. I guess maybe I
Heck.
didn't do that. God, there's so many bugs now. Cool.
Uh,
Oh, you know what? I bet it happened because you logged in with that other character at the same time. Yeah.
that's exactly what
Okay.
happened.
Okay. So we need to come up with. Okay. Got it. Let me. And I did note that. Where was that? Shit. Okay. I'll have to find it. I posted that somewhere, and I will grab it.
I forget which token it was. I just deleted them all, but you
That's
know
the
which
move.
token it
That's what I
was.
would have done too.
Do you remember which token it is, though?
I want to. I do you remember the list of them? I don't remember the exact one.
I don't either.
No worries.
That's all right.
Yeah, it's gonna
It's
be an
pretty
easy
easy to
fix.
replicate.
Yeah, it's an
Yeah.
easy fix as well. Okay, I have it under future reference. Okay, I see it on Discord that I have it, so let me just note it.
I'm almost certain it's this auth token. This
Yep.
SB dash is the long one, not the one below it.
Yep. With multiple characters. Okay. Got it. Issue created.
Probably has something to do with the user ID since I'm logged in on the other one.
Right. Right. There's probably something that just needs to get fixed there. Okay.
Yeah.
No worries. Got it. Cool. Well, thanks for doing a quick little QA session with me.
All in a good day's work here.
Mm.
All right. So yeah, to your point, yeah, Zim is definitely green.
Yes. So
Oh,
we
but I
just
can't
need to
even
come up with a different color. Yeah.
Oh, I got it out.
Yep. The token doesn't remember that we don't want music.
Cool. All right.
Cool.
I know
Alright.
we're still like pre-MVP and all that, but the fact that we can go in, make games, or turn on music, turn off music, go in, talk, dialogue, all that sort of thing. We've come a long way from episode 1.
I'm glad you feel that way because I think this is great progress. I'm watching some of these. There's a lot of people making AI MMOs right now, and they're not eating their veggies. I can see it, and they keep running into issues, and I'm following along on their journeys, and they're basically like, "Oh, I don't even know how to handle chat. I don't know how to do this," and I'm just like, "Because you didn't eat your veggies, dude. You didn't do all
That's
the
right.
stuff."
Gotta eat your veggies.
So this is just us doing the painstaking work, basically. So I get it.
Oh, this is interesting. I don't know what happened to our talk button.
Talk
We just
button?
worked on dialogue last episode.
We
Did I
did, but
not
I don't
merge?
remember who were we talking to. I can't remember actually.
This guy. This is him.
Let me check if render had a failed build. 1 second.
Or maybe I didn't actually merge.
I think that could be it too. I'm just gonna check. Render says we are all good. The last commit, however, was we. Yeah, the last proper deploy was March 16th.
Oh, it looks like this feature branch never made it
We
in.
never pushed the feature branch in for quest dialogue yet.
I think what happened is you wanted to take a look at it before I merged it,
Ooh, I don't
but then
remember.
you went, yeah, and so I can merge it in.
Let's merge it in right now. Let's just go for it live.
Yeah, yeah, why not?
Yep. What's the worst that can happen?
Yeah.
Cool. I see it now. So that'll go in. Did you want to go through that feature again, maybe, or do you want to just go straight to trying to work out combat?
We can run through it really quickly, just as
Perfect.
a refresher.
I'm in.
But this one was basically the dialogue, the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and all the stuff that
Yep.
we led the
I
episode with.
remember. I remember we even had that
So this,
panel come up and we talked all about
yeah,
the. I remember we was talking about the spiritual nature of the chatting and
yeah,
stuff like that with the NPC.
yeah.
Yep. Yep.
So if this works, though, then we can go to combat and we'll do a little group combat on some spiders. I am curious
If we,
if
by the way, today, if we group up and we go into combat, we each make a choice and it goes and goes through against the spider. I'm gonna freak the fuck out.
I don't think that's going to work.
I think it will. I think it will.
I don't think it will. I think that the server isn't smart enough right now to wait for both of us. I guess we'll find out.
We should tell it too. We gotta tell it. We gotta tell it. You gotta
I know.
update it. So I'm actually hopeful that this will work on the first try today. I'm feeling good about it.
Can you actually see the spider? That's the other thing is my
Let me
system's really lagging.
I see no spooder right now. Actually, wait, hold up. I see no spooder as well.
But I bet when we get within aggro range, it'll aggro us.
It will. It'll be there. I'm here. I'll even check it. It's there. Yeah. So I can confirm that the spider is there, but we just still have that weird thing. Still, I don't know why. I haven't
Because
looked
I
into
fixed
that
all
yet.
the others. I don't know if you saw that. Like all the other NPCs are now showing up, but this spider, for whatever reason,
What about the hidden spider and the hidden wall? Oh, he's gone. Okay.
so maybe it's the spiders.
Yeah. Because I saw the other NPC as well. I can confirm that was there. I do not
Yeah.
see the spiders. That NPC is gone for me now, though.
What's going on?
I don't know. Could it be because
Oh,
we're in the middle of a push?
yeah. It
Okay.
just said disconnected from server and reconnected to
Okay, and I
server.
see the NPC again on refresh. Okay, still no spider though, but yeah. Ooh, I see something for the spider if I go off to the distance. So if I head out and let the game rendering fuck up, I can see something like where the spider would be, like a black bar. If I
You mean
purposely
right up here?
Exactly, if I purposely try to fuck with the rendering and move into a spot to see things pass through walls, I can see it. I can show you like a screenshot, but
I don't think. I think that's just the wall.
no, I'll
Texture of
show
the
you.
wall.
I'll post it in the Discord what I'm
Okay.
talking about. Yeah, yeah, I can. I
Okay.
very literally can. It's pretty funny actually. If you look at that image that I just posted, you can see a black bar where the spider should be. But that's
Oh,
that's if I move around to fuck with the rendering, basically. Yeah.
interesting. If you're looking like this, right? How did you even get that to show up?
If I go to my exact perfect spot, that's where I can get that to show up. And look, one more image for you. You can see that I can hover over it for the arachnid.
Where? What are you looking at?
Move to you're in my exact spot. It looks like if you move back one
Yeah.
more space. Let's see. Move up one more space. Huh? You don't see that, right? So I was able to move around to eventually get that to happen, basically.
Interesting. Interesting.
Yeah, because sometimes I notice on my computer when I'm running around, I can see NPCs through walls. I don't know if you've ever seen that before too. It's like the
Yeah.
walls aren't. Yeah, yeah. So that's how I was able to get into the perfect spot to get that right there.
I wonder why my system is lagging so
Yours
hard.
is lagging
Holy
really hard
cow.
for sure. Yours is lagging really hard.
I can't even move.
Yeah, and when I'm running around on your when I'm running around, I notice on your browser I'm like a few steps behind.
I can't see anything right now. Hold on a second. Let me just. Yes.
Maybe this
Yeah.
is like the browser just struggling to keep up. I have to keep that in mind.
Does this not do anything anymore?
I never touched it. Could we be in the middle of a push, so we need to do a refresh?
Whoa.
Because we're in the middle of a deploy also.
Holy cow. Holy cow. My system is freaking out. Okay. Today is a bad day for my system.
Yeah.
It doesn't know what in the world to do.
Oh, I can see the black bar permanently now. If that makes you feel better.
Sort of, yes. It sort of makes me feel better. All right. So now the mini map, I can see the NPCs. And I can see off in the distance, even though we shouldn't. Oh, come on. What in the world? That's Grar, the big bear. He's a
Mm-hmm.
level 5 bear that you shouldn't be able to even hover over because you're not close enough.
Mm-hmm. But that's what I was mentioning is that you can see through stuff to see NPCs.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And you shouldn't be able to. Oh, no. What in the world is. Dude. Holy cow.
Do you mind trying another browser to run the game in and seeing if that does better? Like if you have Firefox or some other one? Because I'm nervous that it's because if we're running Chrome and Google Meets at the same time, if that's the load that's happening.
I wonder if I have Firefox installed. I might have it already installed. Let
Mm-hmm.
me just check. Um, oh, come on. Firefox. My whole system is just so slow. I'm just trying to search and I can't do anything.
Yeah. If it makes you feel better, your video quality is great today.
Let me close this. And I did have Firefox installed already.
Cool. Maybe if maybe it was just freaking out because Chrome can't handle that much load, which I that makes me nervous in the future. But tomorrow problem.
I do not want to set this as my primary browser.
Mm-hmm. And if you sprint around just fine now, that makes me concerned about browser load. I would suspect computers don't work like that in some ways, but I don't know. We'll see. Oh God, I didn't even think about browser compatibility. I wonder what the issue is here.
No, it's not even rendering.
Can you do a refresh real quick? I just want to see.
What can the
Fuck,
heck?
we gotta test other browsers, don't we? I don't know if now is the right time, but this sucks.
This page is slowing down Firefox. Speed up your browser. Stop this page.
Hmm.
Wow.
Okay, it's a little better.
But what changed all of a sudden? I don't. We were.
I have no issues on my side. I'm just wondering if your computer is hurt right now from all the stuff that's running. I don't know. Actually, how
Okay.
about this? Let me try on this PC to run at the same time. Because I'm on Firefox, and I realized on Windows I run Firefox, and I've been running it just fine. The game, I mean, so browser wise, we should be good. Yeah, we're good. Yep, I'm good on Firefox.
I guess my confusion stems from why all of a sudden,
I
like,
don't know. Because I've noticed your shit's been getting really throttled, and I was
yeah,
concerned at first it was because we were doing it all in one browser. I'm
yeah.
currently doing a bunch of stuff all in Firefox only, and it's running just fine. Um, so that's all I got. So this could be a personal problem for right now. We'll have to figure that out.
It is a personal problem for sure, but
Mm-hmm.
I don't know what that means as far as us being able to do what we want to do
I know
today.
that's a good point. That's a good point.
I can't even. What the fuck? Holy shit, dude!
I see you running around though. Here I am as well. Hey, dude.
What in the fuck is going on? And yeah, I see the bar now.
Yeah,
But like I put this FPS in here because originally I was only getting like 6 or 8. Something is like seriously reducing my FPS.
I'm on 50. On my I'm on 50 right now using
Which it should be. It
Firefox
should
on
be at least
Windows.
30.
Yeah, I'm
Yeah.
on Windows Firefox and I'm on 50, and I was doing just fine on Mac Chrome.
I shut down everything except for Google Meet and this this window here. So that's it. That's all I have running right now.
Hmm.
Unless there's some hidden process in the background that's causing this all of a sudden.
It'd have to be like some real heavy application to cause this much of an issue, though. Like I don't know, unless you're because I remember your specs being pretty strong for your computer,
Yeah.
even stronger than mine.
Yeah, I'm just going task manager real quick.
Yeah.
Just see if I can see anything. Wow, the task manager is not even pulling up.
Your computer's having a real case of Mondays right now, dude.
I
But
know,
he's
sure
been he's
is.
been having some issues with the rendering for even since last time I noticed.
Yeah, it
Yeah,
did for sure.
yeah.
But the fact that task manager is not even pulling up, what the fuck? I might need to shut down and come back.
No worries, dude. Please go for it.
Yeah, I'm running at 95% memory. What the fuck is going on here? Why would it show Discord when I'm not even in Discord? I can't even right mouse click. All right, I'm gonna reboot and come back because
No,
this
that's
is just.
reasonable. That's reasonable.
And now when I try to exit Task Manager, it's not responding. All right, I'll be right back.
Got it. No worries. Do your thing. Yep.
Wow.
All right. Let's see. What interesting things can I do? Let's see. What interesting things can I do? I don't have anything cool on this computer because this is a different computer. Cool. So I'm running around. I can get to 24 FPS, 29 FPS. Steve, this is for you later if you come back to watch this. I still look pretty good. Let me see how OBS is rendering this too. Yep, looks fine. Okay. Okay, so I can confirm, Steve, whenever you see this later, that if I'm sharing my screen at the same time and I'm running around, it's clunkier than if I don't. Okay. Yep, way clunkier. So today I'm learning about streaming. Yeah, that's pretty shit. More than 30 FPS at least. And we do have talk. Cool. Drill Sergeant Zim. Let's see if that works. So quest dialogues, if he currently goes and gets to a point where he just goes, I don't understand, the conversation's over. Okay, so I can't go back. Cool. Let's go to linear and pop that over. Feature quest dialogue. If you type something, it breaks. Hey Steve, is that you?
That's me.
Cool. So I figured out a couple things. If I'm streaming, if I share my screen in Google Meets with my browser and I run around, it is a lot more buggy. Or sorry, it's a lot. The FPS goes down dramatically versus if I don't. So just in case that's a hint for anything later. It's a
But
lot.
not down
Yeah.
to
Sorry, what's up?
not down to 7, right?
Not down to 7. More like hovering in the low to mid 20s if at worst.
Okay.
Yeah. So FPS I can get to 21 right now, 37, etc. But if am not sharing my screen on Chrome, I'm pretty much consistently at 50, I'd say.
Yeah, I'm looking at mine, and I'm at 19 to 20 right now
Even without anything, huh?
without anything. Yeah,
When I was
so I don't
looking
know.
at my screen off of the share screen, I hit 19, but I was sharing specifically. So hold
Yeah,
up. Sorry, audience. We're not going to share anything for a quick second, but our giant heads. If I run around, oh, you know what? It's kind of still doing the same thing, even regardless of the share screen.
yeah.
So maybe our servers suck. I don't know.
Well, this would be front end. I don't think it has anything to do with back end.
Sorry, I'm wondering if there's other server things happening. You're right with the rendering though, but if I play the game on my Mac in Chrome, it's perfectly at 50 the entire time, and this is new. So I'm wondering if there's a service in the back doing something, like the sockets aren't coming through for the spots. That's the only thing I'm thinking about.
Yeah,
Because there's multiple of us running around, so I'm wondering if that socket is just coming through and coming too slowly or something. Or unless your FPS tracker actually works really well, and we're just doing unnecessary re-renders on the front end, which is also a huge possibility.
it could be for sure.
Okay. Okay.
All right. Well, let's do what we can.
Yep. Want to share cursor again, and we can try to. I just tested out the quest dialog, and I wrote another bug for linear that I found.
See if cursor even starts up.
Okay.
It's trying.
So no, but there's a good call out here. Maybe the canvas work on the front end needs to be immediately given attention for re-renderings.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. I'm noting all of this. I had spent some time trying to make the React app as performant as possible, but I ran into issues where the AI was kind of getting all messed up. So I didn't make any pushes on that front, but because I was trying to do things like throttle the re-renderings and stuff like that, but it ended up just breaking it. Or I tried to like memoize some of the components. All that kind of failed. So let me revisit that. Gosh, we have so many bugs now.
I know.
This went from 0 to 100.
Sure did.
Okay, cool. And you can try talking to Zim. That push did go through.
Yikes.
Mm-hmm. And I noticed this is an issue specifically on my Windows computer. When I go to my Mac on Chrome, it's running like a charm actually. So I couldn't tell you. It's
We
really
need to
smooth.
not allow we need to not allow people to talk when they're like 3 tiles away.
Okay. Oh right, like you need to be closer. You're saying right? You need to be like
You
super
need to be
close.
right next to the
Okay.
NPC in order for us to talk.
Okay. Maybe we'll circle back to that once we're working on the quest dialogue stuff again, or at least I can note
Well,
it
you
right
just
now.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. Since you were doing
Got it.
bugs,
Yeah. Bug. You should only maybe it's a talk concept. You should only be able to talk. How close you think?
1 tile have to be right next to the NPC.
Okay.
I don't understand.
Yeah, and I noted the bug of if you type something they don't understand and it just kills the conversation entirely. I noted that
Yep.
just now. Yeah.
Cool. Yeah, I have no way of going back.
Yep. Yep.
Okay. All right. Well, I'm gonna just attack Zim.
I haven't even seen that yet. That's crazy.
Oh no.
He's about to mess
Oh
you up, huh?
no. Oh.
Yep.
He actually didn't kill me as fast as he should. He really should have one-shot me.
Yeah.
So I'll have to adjust. I'll have to tune that. All right. Well, should we try our spider now that we went through all this?
Yeah, maybe we go into planning mode and cursor. What do you think? Just to start making moves on that.
Yeah. Do we want to try this first, or what do you want to do?
Well, there's no way anything will happen right now. If we're in a party and we approach the spider, we each have our own instance of the spider.
Okay.
So to me, we would need to party up and be able to have the same instance of combat with the spider.
Yeah, it's interesting that it doesn't already know that though, but I'm with you. That's exactly what's going to happen.
Okay.
I did invite you, by the way. Did you not get the invite?
I'll accept.
Cool. All right. Hey, so we're doing party-based combat right now. What we noticed is that there's a spider for each one of us rather than for the party as a whole. We want to make sure that I don't even know how to explain it.
We want to make sure that if players are in a party, they have the one single instance of combat. What do you think about that?
Sure. That sounds as good as anything, right? There's one single instance of combat.
Mm-hmm.
All actions of the players for the round need to be selected before the round begins or commences. And the spider needs to select one player when it's doing its own attack, not hitting everyone, unless it's using a group-based attack skill.
Is there anything else?
I'm sure there's lots else, but we'll find out when we start playing around with it.
Oh yeah. Well, maybe we'll ask it for clarifying questions if it has any too. Just in a second.
Yeah. And for those at home, this is my first time using Composer 2 fast, so we'll see how fast it is. I wasn't. All I did is I tried to commit, and didn't like me, so we'll see if this is a regression or not.
Yeah. Cool. He understands that. Great. Yep. Yep. Cool. It caught it immediately. Those are, in fact, all the issues. Cool. Yep.
Sure, that
I'm
seems
I'm
fine.
pretty pleased with this analysis so far. That's absolutely what I would have, yeah, suspected.
Not
Cool.
sure. If
I'm
I
happy
don't
with
know if
that.
that's,
Yeah.
if store.party is set, do not call local only start combat.
Yeah.
Instead of it, party encounter start. Okay, with the
Mm-hmm.
same all combat. Yeah, I see.
Yeah. Nice. It even is extending AoE skills later, which I'm very happy about. Cool. Oh my god, I thought about testing. Yeah, I think this is gonna work on the first try.
Then we'll just build. Build. All right. This is where we need the betting machine.
There's so many things we want to build.
Wonder if there's something online. Betting machine online with custom labeling.
They're like, have you thought of Google Sheets?
Yeah. There's a place called Sir Play.
Ooh,
Instead of Sir
do you
Play,
spell
it's
how do
Sir
they spell
Play.
Sir on that one?
SIR.
Oh, okay, got it. Sir Play.
Yeah. Sir Play.
This doesn't look quite like it, unfortunately. This looks like a bummer. Sorry, Sir Play, you're not getting our plug today.
No, Sir Play. Well, since we're waiting, let's. I'm not on a Mac. Let's do this.
Also, how did I get sideways on your screen? I've noticed that a couple times, and I don't know.
I have too. I have no idea.
No worries.
Absolutely no idea. All right. What is today? 325?
Yep. Let's start with this.
How are we doing this? Clay, Steve. I guess this is 325. And
I would do a column before our names. That would basically be like the title of the bet. You know what I mean? Yeah, exactly. And then like title of the bet, basically. And we can say so the B column could be party combat, basically right now. Yeah. I will vote yes.
I say hell no.
And we'll just mark it like green or red after this or something. Yeah, cool.
It's official now. So, yeah, green or red, and then like if we have another iteration of this, we'll just keep doing this.
Yes, exactly. Yeah, each prompt, if you will, right? How about we call it first try tracker?
Yep. tracker.
Yeah, the idea of spending like another 8 hours making a server, a database, and a front end just to handle this probably
Uh,
doesn't feel like a good act. Probably doesn't feel like an apt use of time.
I bet AI can do it for us.
That's true, but is it gonna do my render deployments and all that? Like,
Oh, that's a good point.
yeah, we had to do all that ourselves. Set all the environment variables. Now there won't be any.
Or I could just run it locally on a local Postgres-based database.
Right, right. That's a good point. Maybe we could do that instead. That's not a bad idea because I was thinking like I'm not trying to set up auth right now.
Yeah. So for being fast, this doesn't seem any faster than the old 1 or 1.5. Although to be fair, this is a lot to consider, I guess.
Yes, yes. It's doing quite a heavy amount of work, actually. I definitely noticed your cursor is faster than mine because I'm on the $20 a month plan, and the context window is very small for us plebes. So I think it's actually quite impressive what it's getting done already on its own.
Usually there's a context tracker down here. I don't even see it now, though.
Whoa. I've never had one of those either on my side, actually, I don't think.
Oh, really? It
Yeah.
tells you how much context you've used out of your context window.
Okay. Mine just screams at me, I don't have enough context and I'm not going to do
Really?
the work. And I'm like, wow, okay.
Okay. So I guess one of the questions I have is did it split this up into 7 different agents, or is this one agent doing 7 different tasks?
My suspicion is it's one agent doing all these tasks iteratively.
Think so?
Yeah.
That's a shame.
Assigned to one
'Cause-
agent, or maybe it's doing the same time. It'd be crazy.
Because in theory, this composer is supposed to do true split, like supposed to split up all the tasks, and all 7 agents or however many agents are supposed
Okay.
to go off and do its own thing. And then they're supposed to communicate with one another
That's sick. I didn't
afterward.
know that. Oh, wow.
Yeah,
If that's
It's
actually
like
what's supposed to
supposed to
happen,
be a
that's
team.
insane. That's insane. I'm into that.
it's supposed to be like a team of engineers where you break up a task, and
Yeah.
um, I don't know how to tell if it's doing that though.
Well, maybe you can hover over and it says click to open. Maybe that could be how we open each individual agent. So like you could open the other one or something and see if it's running. Yeah.
I did. It's like it's not. I'm clicking on it and nothing is.
Got it.
I don't know what it's opening. It doesn't look like it's opening anything.
Okay. Not sure. That's crazy. I've only ever had multiple agents running at the same time because I manually set them off to go do work. I've never had the ability. I've never seen making one agent run off and then have it kind of like split off. That's really cool. Makes sense too that would be a feature coming out.
Yeah, I don't. Huh.
God damn, he did a lot of work for this one already so far for that one task. Oh, it just suddenly crushed all the to-dos.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh.
Alrighty. I think it's gonna work. I was really confident.
I know you already got your yes vote in. You're so confident.
It was because I forgot how we started combat. I forgot how that went. I think you started with combat and then I did the party stuff. I was really pleased with how I did party, so I think it's gonna nail this. I'm gonna log in right now on my Mac. One sec. You ready for this?
I am so ready for this.
All right, we're gonna one shot this, dude.
You're already in the game. What do you mean by you're gonna?
Sorry, I'm moving to another browser. Here I am. See, there's 2 of us
Oh.
now. Yeah. All right. You want to add me? I can add you. Either way.
Well, you're already in parties, so.
Oh. Uh-oh. My bad. I was on another browser. Do you mind kicking me? Yeah, and then hit refresh maybe. Let's just start over.
Okay.
Cool. All right. Now I'm gonna invite you if that's cool, and I can even assign you as party. One second. That's the wrong clay. That's why. Yeah. All right. Let's roll out the spider.
Follow me.
Okay. One second.
Oh, I thought. Sorry.
I'll assign you as party leader. Don't worry. You're good. I assigned
No,
you.
no. I thought I was gonna follow you.
I see. I'll follow you right now. Cool.
No. Oh, never mind.
Yep.
Okay, you're following me.
Yep. Run up. Let's see. Oh god. Come on. I have a combat. I see a timer for myself. I will make a choice.
Yep.
I will click attack.
Okay.
Oh, I just went through immediately. So there wasn't a we didn't
It needs
give
to
the
wait for
instruction.
everyone.
Yeah. Are we fighting the same spider though? He's at 4 out of 10 for me. Nope. We have different health on the spiders.
I don't even see the spider. I haven't attacked yet, so I don't know what the spider's health is.
I'm at in the system log. It says 7 out of 11.
I haven't attacked it yet.
Yeah, no worries. The brown spider has different health in the system log. Like it's changing.
What do you mean? Where are you seeing that though on yours?
On system log for me, do you see how it says brown spider hits Clerky in the chest for 7 out of 9? I'm getting my
Yeah.
own instance of that. I'm getting my own
Right, but
instance
it's hitting. It's me. That's my health. That's not the brown spider's health.
Right, and then I see what you're saying. Okay, I see what you're saying. Okay.
I haven't attacked the spider yet, so when I attack the spider and hit it, that'll tell me how much health it has.
Okay, it's been fighting me this whole time on my system log. So we need a shared combat system log. Okay, let me write that down real quick. So I'm just letting it run on the side. So I was wrong. It did not get on the first try, but I think we need to get a couple more instructions. Should show the same combat to both players in the system log. They should know about what is happening in the same combat instance. When one player finishes an action that they choose, the other player also needs to finish making their choice before the turn happens. Are they called turns in this game?
Yep.
Okay, cool. I just want to make sure that they got set up that way.
Yep.
What else are we thinking? Anything off the top initially as you see?
This is just something to mark. We should be able to see each other's health bars going down. I don't know.
Absolutely agree. No, don't worry. I was on the same page on that one for sure too. How about I'll just note that right now. Players should see accurate health. Is it health, energy, stamina?
Yep.
Okay. Stamina as the bars in the top left of their party. Also, players should also see each other's timers.
Yep.
Okay, so this is what I noted. I think this is a good... Let me know if you see other things that should go into this initial planning. But I took the L on that one. I thought it would be a lot smarter.
Should show the same combat to both players as the songs and it's happening in the same combat instance when one player finishes actions. Yeah. Yeah. Agree with all that.
Mm-hmm.
I imagine if the spider dies, yours will still exist, right? Oh.
I'm not sure. I already left. I was never doing... Oh, it killed me. And
Me too.
And I was out of combat. Okay, weird. Okay, so when it killed me, I was still hanging out with you, by the way. In front of the spider.
Because you were following me,
Correct.
I bet.
So
that's another
if
one.
a player dies, they should remain in the party, but unfollow the party leader. If they are the party leader and they die, what do you think should happen? And let's say a bunch of people were following the party leader, the party leader dies. Should everyone then unfollow and then follow the next person? Okay.
Or not follow at all. There shouldn't be anyone following anyone at that point.
Okay. So if a player dies, they should remain in the party but unfollow the party leader. If the party leader dies, everyone should unfollow the party leader.
Yeah. Yep.
Got it. Okay, I just added that.
Cool. All right. I'm going to copy all this into Cursor and see what happens.
And
I'm not going to plan.
Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. And I would just note, have it ask clarifying questions at the end if it needs to, basically. Yeah. Because I noticed that, like, if you do that, then it goes like, oh, well, let me make sure I know what the fuck I'm doing, basically.
Yep. Oh, I didn't get the formatting with the...
That's okay. It'll figure it out.
It'll figure it out.
Yeah, it's smart enough.
clarifying questions before you do this. I want you to think long and hard on this one because we want to knock this one out of the park. Clay has a lot riding on this, and he wants to make sure that you do a really good job.
All right, when you hit send, let's go back to the Google sheet. All right, go back to the Google sheet. I took an L on that one.
Yeah. So what are we doing? We're
Let's
like
do text
changing
color
text
red
color.
to start. Yeah. You can get a green for that one.
I'm gonna do these colors instead. I'm gonna do
Sure. That's even better. I was just too lazy.
Yes.
You start now, and your guess first because I lost.
Yep. So I'm going with a no again. This is so incredibly complicated.
I'm going with a no.
I would.
It lost my confidence.
Yeah. I just think it's so complicated that it might not truly understand what it needs to do.
Right.
Yeah. No, not that one. This one. So we'll see. Oh,
Can you hit back the cursor and see if it had any questions for us? Let's see if it had anything. Okay. Weird. Let's see.
Lots of questions.
Yeah. Both players should see somehow. AB servers is sort of the truth and with the same. Probably A. I don't. 1A, right?
It's got to be A.
Yeah, I was like 1A. Like, ship whatever's fastest.
No.
See each other's timers. Full dual timers show numeric count. Software choose. A. 2A.
Full dual timer. Show numeric countdown, e.g. 15 is for each player when it's their pick.
Yeah.
Yes.
I would say A and then comma. I would say also when they make their pick, the timer should like stop, right?
Yeah.
The timer should accurately stop. How about that? Mm-hmm.
Should show
Decision
picked or
made.
locked. Like I wanted a little symbol, like the decision was made. So like a lock symbol or something.
How about also whenever a player makes their pick, the timer should show an indicator that a decision was made. How about that to start? And we can adjust that UI as we go. Yeah.
Yep.
Cool. What was the third question? I don't even know. Push refreshes via party update and optionally each party encounter from the server. Maybe.
Yes.
While in party encounter, derive rows from local combat state that turn order. Use normal party when not in.
I don't
even know what that means actually.
No. I'm doing C. Both C
and I agree. That's what I would have done. I would have done.
I don't want the HUD to drift at all.
Yeah, I agree. Death plus unfollow. Shit, this. Any death.
Any death, yeah.
If the leader dies, does your promote a new? No, we don't need to do that. They're still the leader. Cool. Players must finish before the turn happens. Is the problem around stores? I will just note that right now, as a user makes a choice, their turn happens immediately. Yeah. The turn should happen all at the same time. Yeah. It's definitely not going to get all these correct. This is crazy.
No. I don't know if it'll understand that. There's no way it's going to know that.
Yeah.
Are you sticking with no?
I'm sticking with no. It's just
Okay.
I was more confident before that it would have made proper assumptions. I'll be upfront. And then we added some extra juicy UI stuff, so now it's like that's too many things for his little small mind, I think.
I think the issue that it's keeping a lot of local combat state mechanics or state in the browser, where honestly the combat state needs to be on the server, and it just needs to ping the server for what the current state of combat is. If that makes sense. It seems like every browser, every player's browser is keeping its own version of combat, and I don't think that is correct.
I agree. So we let's let this run out. We'll do a test, and then I think we need to make a note of a question. Maybe that's an ask for it. Like, hey,
Yeah.
Are you keeping all combat and state on the front end because it should be reflective of the server? Yeah.
That's right.
Yeah, no, I'm on the same page as you with that. I was nervous. I've definitely been very nervous about the split between the front end and the back end, and if it's being done correctly. I'm definitely nervous about it. Yeah, I am on the same page there.
Or does it have a server object that keeps track of everything and the front end simply pings it for information? I'm just writing that down so I won't forget it. Maybe we just switch it to a single player game. Everything is just stored in browser.
We just write stories the whole time instead.
That's right. How you feeling these days? You in a good spot?
What do you
Doing
mean by
any
that?
exercising?
What was that?
Any exercise? You said you didn't feel well. You said that you were.
That was the
cold or
aftermath of
something?
staying up late every night in Vegas, and I wasn't
Yeah.
drinking. By the way, I was good. I just stayed up too late.
Really?
Yeah. I got too fucked up the first night that I showed up, and then I was there for many days, and I was like, after that, like I just didn't feel the same to drink again.
Because you're getting old. Can't handle it.
Man, but I can like drink every day, like 2 strong IPAs a day if that were like my kind of thing.
Sure.
It's then everyone started binge drinking, and I was like, I'm not built like that anymore. I'm not a bit.
Yeah.
Yeah, in my heyday, sure, but I was always still hungover the next day. So shout out. So my plug will be to my boys because I was like, holy crap, dude. I was like, I am not built like that anymore. I just want to have like 2 strong IPAs with my friends, and then we all go home before midnight.
Yeah. Yeah, I'll do my plug later as well.
Yeah.
It's definitely not alcohol related though.
Yeah. Yeah, and I have not worked out in about, I don't know, like 5 days. So I'll jump back tomorrow. I'm not too nervous about it. I was just feeling a little like under the weather from all the gluttony, I guess.
What are you gonna do? What kind of workout?
Just lift right now. Yeah, just lift right now. I did walk 20,000 steps a day while I was in Vegas, which I think is decent.
No kidding.
Yeah.
That's like incredible, honestly. That's twice like what everyone recommends. So that's amazing.
Dude, when I'm in Asia with Becca, we hit like 50K a day. It's ridiculous. Like it's not cool.
What?
Yeah. It's ridiculous. Yeah, we're
No
straight up hitting
wonder
like,
everyone's so thin.
what was that you said?
No wonder everyone's so thin. It's like everyone is super fit.
When you go travel, dude, it's like you can eat 4 or 5 meals a day because you're losing so many calories just from walking.
Yeah.
Like,
Yep. Don't really get that on a day-to-day basis here.
It's hard, like unless you live in a walking city. I did notice that once I moved out of downtown, my daily steps, I was hitting 10K steps a day without trying. Like that's just like how life, happens. But then once I moved to the burbs, it plummeted immediately to like 5,000 steps a day.
Yep.
Yeah.
So there's something to be said about living in a big city.
Absolutely. Absolutely. Just walking around. Yeah.
Wow, it's really churning this time.
Oh man. It's like I'm gonna rewrite this app real quick.
I know. Again, I don't know if I should just choose a model instead of having Composer. Probably Opus 4.6 is the best for this sort of thing.
Would Composer pick the right model though? Isn't that the whole job
Yeah.
too? Yeah. I don't think that's so bad if it does the job of making sure it's picking the right model for the job.
Gonna do this. Claude. Oh, is it doing something? Hold on a second here. Oh, let me do this. Oh, what are you doing there? Oh, I'm gonna have to do this. Oh, I don't want to do that. With Composer 2 and Cursor, is it doing true multi-agentic breaking up tasks? All right, let's see. What did we get? Still going? No.
I noticed you're wearing a shirt for Green Lantern. By the way, are you excited for that new HBO show?
I don't even know what that new HBO show is that you're talking about.
It's a new HBO show called Lanterns. Yeah.
I don't have HBO, so maybe I don't know where I would see an advertisement for that. But what is
see.
it?
Yeah.
Is it basically Green Lantern then? And
I couldn't tell. I'm not a huge superhero guy, but I could tell it was sort of like it looked like a spin-off or another story that I've never heard before, but it was like one lantern is teaching another lantern, I think.
Interesting.
And it sounded
sort of like
yeah, sorry, I'll continue on.
Oh, I was gonna say that's just the movie, the original Green Lantern movie. I don't know
Oh.
if you saw that with Ryan Reynolds.
No, I never saw any of the Green Lantern movies.
Okay.
Yeah. It seemed like it was some I forgot the actor's name. He's teaching some other dude how to be a lantern. The young guy seems like he's a cocky asshole. They fight a bunch. Dark shit happens in a small town.
All right, I'll have to check it out now.
Yeah, you
have to write that down.
Watch the trailer. Yeah, I don't know enough about superhero stuff. Yeah.
Yet another subscription I'll have to get. Seriously, dude, like when Landman came out, I had to get Paramount Plus, and then I hear Severance is awesome, so then you have to get Apple, and obviously I have Netflix, and I have Prime, and so now, like, for some NFL games, you have to get Peacock.
Right.
It's just like, what the hell?
You should just share with me. Just share with me.
Yeah, that's what people are doing, I guess.
Yeah, just share with me. I already have some.
All right, let's go into this. Let's see what we're doing here.
Mm-hmm.
Well, it says it's doing everything, so I guess we won't know until we test it out.
Yeah.
All right, so let's go back here. That's interesting. When it disconnected and reconnected, there's two versions of me now. Two clerkies.
Yep, that's pretty normal for me to run into as well. Let me get rid of this one. Hit refresh. Sir Clay is back on the map.
But we're not party. Come back. Come back. You're too fast.
Oh, me?
Yeah.
Were you at the spawn? Oh, I see.
Yeah.
What's up, dude? Let's roll out, dude. Come on.
We're not in a party. I'm trying to invite you. Come back so I can invite you. Target out of range. I'm trying to get you in a party. Come back. Too fast.
I was watching myself on your screen.
All right. Wait. Wait.
I'll follow you. Don't
Okay.
worry. I'm just running around.
Okay. All right.
That's actually a little bit of a hack with the follow. Somebody could snap right to another player in a different area. Just wanted to note that.
Oh, that's not supposed to happen.
Yeah, yeah. I just snapped right to you. So
So like on my screen, you're still behind me though. Are you
yeah,
following me?
and I see your view on my screen. I think. Let's see. Hold up. Oh, I never stopped. Huh? Follow looks like it's broken. Yep, follow's broken.
Well, there's two clerkies in the party all of a sudden.
Yep. Yep, 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 yep. Let me hit refresh. Let's try this again. I think something's
Yeah.
broken. Okay. And I know weird. Okay, now it's actually working, I feel like, but it's all messed up. Can you kick me out of your party? It looks like we're in a party, but not actually.
Nope, I don't even have the option.
Oh god. Okay. Yeah. We're in a weird state. So party is broken.
Good job, AI.
Yeah, party is actually
Finally-
broken. I noticed these issues as well, so that's cool.
Even though we're in a party isn't working.
Yeah. So you could say like we're in a party, but it's all broken. Yeah, let's just log out. You're right. Let me just try that. Dang. This is disappointing.
Come on, AI. You can do better than this.
We're still in the party after I logged out, which I guess is fine. But
I'm not a party. We don't have a
exact.
party.
No. I
anymore.
know. I'm aware. That's still the bug. Yeah.
I don't even know how to explain this though. Looks like party functionality is now completely broken. Sometimes when inviting other people, the party leader appears twice in the party. When refreshing, the leader goes away. I can't remove people from the party. I don't know what else. Follow doesn't work. Follow no longer works.
Yeah. That seems fine for now. Yeah. Fuck, we kind of moved one step back on that one. Well, we were right.
sure did.
No. I wouldn't say this
Oh.
is a new. I would say this is not a new sheets category. We're on the existing one.
Are we? We're still on this one?
I think so. Unless you want to, unless we get a riveting green for this one.
I think we have to be greens on
All right,
these.
all right, all right. Then I'm gonna stay no.
On this next one,
Yeah, I will remain no.
yeah. Got about a quarter of my jug left.
Nice, dude. You're still doing work on that.
Yeah, I have to work out after. I was supposed to work out this morning, but I was way too tired.
Got it. Are you feeling fatigued by the water situation, or are you still doing good?
About the water?
Yeah, like slamming back a gallon a day. Is that hard, or is it okay?
Nah,
Cool.
this is like, yeah, every day I think I'm probably drinking more than this.
Yeah, because you finish your work and you're still gonna drink some stuff or whatever, water
Yep.
included. Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, AI, why you do this? I guess this is one thing that humans wouldn't do. Like, things are working just fine. They wouldn't go in and break all the shit on party and leader and follow. They just won't even touch any of that.
Yeah, they wouldn't do a massive refactor like that. They do
No.
additive things. Okay. Okay. Oh, dude. Wait. Hold on. We've been looking at this on dev. how the fuck would the changes have made it up? So how is party breaking and stuff? You haven't been pushing.
Yeah, I'm not pushing.
Yeah,
I'm not pushing any one of these.
no. That's why I'm like, wait. I just clicked, by the way, for me. So why would things have broken for us at all, casually? Let's push. This is. My mind is a little blown right now, actually. We just randomly ran into a random bug that it seems like. Yeah.
This is crazy. You're right. None of
Nothing we've
This is
tested
like-
for the last two. Yeah. Last two prompts. Yeah.
it's not. It's like all night. Nothing should have been working.
I said nothing should have changed.
Nothing should have changed. Exactly.
Yeah. And I literally just thought about that right now. So I'm glad we didn't go too far pulling our hair out, by the way. That would have been crazy.
That's amazing. That is so awesome. I'm impressed. I'm impressed that you thought of that too, because like I would have just been sitting here.
Just raging the whole time, probably. Like, just like, what's
Yep.
going on?
Exactly.
So that was a
Wow,
random new
nothing
bug that we
changing.
found. That was a random new bug.
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah, that's awesome.
All right, then let's do a PR and merge.
I'm doing off screen right
Yeah,
now.
no
I
worries,
just-
no worries. Cool.
I created it. And
That
I
is
merged
so
it just now.
funny. I'm glad we didn't go too far, by the way. That would have been really frustrating. I'm glad we didn't go too far. So we found a whole
Wow.
slew of bugs just because we just logged in at the same time, basically. Okay.
But here's the thing.
It muddies our votes from earlier.
It sure does. I was like, AI may have nailed it. This whole thing is invalidated.
Yeah. This is like the 2020 election. We don't know it's real anymore.
That's right. This was Russian influence. This was an influence campaign to basically make AI look bad, when really
We need a recount.
the humans were the idiots here. It's so good. Oh man.
I'm so glad
Here's
we
the
didn't go
thing.
like I'm glad we didn't go like 45 minutes not thinking about that, by the way. Thank God. Oh.
We didn't think about it. One of us thought about it. The smart one. Holy crap. I would have gone all night. I would have been like, fucking stupid fucking shit and fucking AI. I just would have been going off. Wow.
Wow. I'm really glad that wasn't, because here's the thing, that could have been brutal. That could have been brutal. If we just went like another three or four or five prompts.
Would have rewritten everything. And then we would have gone like, no, just screw this. And then we realized we're on a different branch. We just would have destroyed the branch, or like, screw it. We'll just go back to the beginning.
Oh my gosh. I'm really glad that wasn't brutal.
Did we get a new deploy?
We did. It got a deploy failed. So let me see what the logs say. Okay, so these are the issues. I'll send them over to you. 1 second.
Okay.
If nothing too crazy, it should be able to figure this out just fine. I'm through that into general. Those are the errors.
Okay. I'm just officially putting our.
Yeah, we need a. This is an asterisk part of the game now.
Yeah. Yep. 100%. Let's see here. Wow.
That could have been bad, dude. I feel like we just avoided a major car crash. we almost got sideswiped by a semi, but we're like good. We're like woo. We're like in the car, like woo.
At least the silver lining was, even if we went through all that, it was on a separate branch, so we wouldn't have to revert or anything like that.
Oh yeah, and we did find a brand new bug for no reason, so it's all good.
Yeah.
Yeah. For no reason, though, that bug happened. Yeah.
So I wonder what it actually. Well, commit and push. Wait a minute. What's going on here? Why are these still thinking?
I wouldn't worry about that. That's the old plan. It's already built. I think it's just like I said, cursor is buggy, dude. It is not a great it's not good at certain UI things for sure.
Is it rendering?
If you push to main, right? Let me double check.
Yeah.
All right, give
Yeah.
me 1 sec. Oh, okay. 1 second. I had it up and I just lost it. Fuck. Okay, we are. It is in the middle of deployment, and I will alert you when it's good.
Okay. I guess I could go look as well. I don't have
No
to be
worries.
lazy.
Yeah, we can multitask here. We're good. My setup right now looks like a crazy person. I have render open and a bunch of other code stuff on my Mac, and then this PC that I'm looking at you on is where linear is, so I'm just like spread everywhere. All right, deploy is green. Let me do a refresh. Build should be good. I am no longer in a party, thank God. I see Clerky. Cool. Do you see me running around? Yes, good.
I do.
All right, I will go ahead and invite you to party. Can you go try the follow?
Following you.
Yep, it works. Cool. You ready to try this?
Yep.
So first off, don't see a timer for the other player. Don't see a
Nope.
timer for the other player. Okay. I'm gonna
Yes,
make
I do.
You do?
It's right here.
Oh, that's stupid. Okay.
It's
Okay,
not
got
on the portrait.
it. Yeah, got it. I'm gonna click attack. Brown spider misses Clerky. Oh, I see that. Let's see.
But for some reason,
I can't make choices.
well, you're set to ready, so you already made a choice.
Okay, let's see what happens then.
I haven't made any choice, by the way. I'm just letting the timer do its default timer thing.
Yeah.
Oh, and then it just locked up.
Yeah, mine's locked up. Okay, so I'm gonna say really quickly. I'm gonna note the timer on the other player.
It's fine now, though, right?
Yeah. Okay. So
Because I hadn't chosen an action, and it doesn't recognize that the default action is rest. So
yeah.
if a player doesn't choose an action, it needs to automatically choose the rest action.
Got it. 1 second. 1 second. So the timer on the other player should be a ring, like how the primary player has it. When a user makes a turn choice, the timer should just go away. And then you were mentioning that. See, like I'm making attack choices, but doesn't seem to. Okay, so if a choice isn't made, is it default to rest right now or no?
Yep.
Okay.
If no choice is made, it should default to rest, and that is the default action right now.
I'm just gonna note it. We should ensure again that the player shows rest, and then we're gonna note what if you click an action. Okay, if you select an action, the action bar should go away, right? Until it's your turn again. Until it's.
It depends if we want people to be able to
Change.
change their mind or not.
I see. Okay, let me leave that blank then, because this came out kind of weird. Like, neither of us can attack though, even though I clicked attack.
You just did right now?
Yeah.
Yeah, I just clicked. As long as we both are doing it within the time frame, it's fine.
No, but you are always doing it. I can see the system log. That part is great. Whenever I click attack, it's never letting me do an attack.
I see.
Okay, so right now, only one player's attacks are registering on the NPC. If another player clicks attack, their turn action doesn't seem to actually happen. And let me try clicking flee then. And I was able to flee, but I'm still in combat. When a player clicks flee, your party fled from combat, but we're still in combat, right? So
Yep.
And when I fled, the whole party fled, not the individual user.
Yep.
Okay. When a party leader clicks flee, in the system log, it'll say your party fled from combat, but they are still in, stuck in combat, kind of?
Yeah. Also, for some reason, the timer is 18 seconds now instead of 15.
Yeah, let me double check that in a second. One sec. When a party click... Also, the entire party fled. It should be on a per player basis, not an entire party.
But
yeah.
But
Mm-hmm.
the party can only entirely flee if everyone has fled.
Yes. Okay. Yeah. However, if every player chose to flee, then the entire party flees. Okay. The timer, and by the way, I saw the timer thing. It's odd. Sometimes it's fine, sometimes it's not. The timer is odd. Sometimes it's correct at the default of 15 seconds, right? Is that what it is?
Yep.
But sometimes it randomly shows 18 seconds. Okay,
Yep.
Let me know what you think about that, and if there was other stuff that you ran into. Oh my god, this is brutal.
Actually, I think it's progress.
God, yeah. I'm like, ooh, this is tough.
No, this is good. I like what you wrote here.
Mm-hmm.
I think that captures it all. And I'm just doing it in an agent.
Yes. And then maybe okay, no worries. I'm always going to ask it now to ask clarifying questions because it seems like it's having a tough time.
I will from now on.
No worries. I can even add that as a rule. It seems to be having a tough time with some of this right now.
No, I mean, generally speaking. So, like, can you do anything right now?
I'm stuck in a disabled button combat stage for action chosen, which, by the way, pretty cool that it had. That's what I wanted, so I'm glad it did that. If I chose an action, and I'm just back in combat again, so, and I already fled at some point, so if I click attack, action chosen, why don't you click something? Sweet, okay.
We both hit it.
That's crazy. Yeah. So that's actually working. I just chose another action. Yeah. Okay. That's the first time I've seen that, by the way. That's good news.
Do something else. We're gonna kill this thing.
Okay. And hey, this is pretty good.
We won. As long as we're both attacking, it works.
Okay, so then maybe that's an okay.
It's just because I was sitting there doing nothing, and it got confused with the rest as a default action, so it didn't know what to do.
But then it said that you were hitting. But it said that you were hitting, and I was clicking attack the whole time.
Oh, that's true.
Yeah, it would say Clerky hit for whatever, and I was the only one clicking attack, and I never brought up Sir Clay. This is pretty cool, actually. I'm pretty amped about how that progress just now. That was cool.
So I'm stuck though.
Oh yeah, because I'm here, so I can move around, because you're on.
Oh, because I'm following you.
You're on follow, yeah. So, right. Oh, and I just got re-engaged. So how about this? I'll click rest, and why don't you try something, and we'll see what happens.
Okay.
Okay, that was good.
It hit me.
I'm gonna click attack. Why don't you do rest? Good. I'm gonna click flee. Why don't you click attack? Nothing happened for me. I'm going to click flee again. You can do whatever you want. Okay. So it won't let me flee anymore.
Well, it's a percentage chance.
Yeah. But it's not giving me any, you tried to flee and you failed. Huh. Okay.
So I fled, and now both of us fled because you had successfully fled before, maybe? I don't know.
But there was a period of time where I fled and you were still in combat. I remember seeing that. And does it tell you if you failed to flee?
It does.
And I haven't been getting that. We see in the system log. Yeah.
Yeah, it's supposed to say you failed to flee.
Yeah,
So
and I have seen that, so that's why I was noting that I was clicking flee and it didn't give me any of that.
yeah,
Interesting.
but it works
It kind of
ish.
does. I kind of think so too. Oh, so I just dropped out on accident, and it didn't return me back. And I did confirm that at some point that worked. So um, I accidentally refreshed my browser and got removed from the party. But the other player still has me in their party. I should have returned back into our party. Okay, I'll add that in a second. Okay, can you go back to cursor and let's see if anything happened? Still working. And if you can add that last bullet point before we do a push that I just added.
Yeah.
Yeah, no rush on that. Okay.
I'm actually surprised it's still thinking.
Yeah.
I guess we did ask it 6 questions, but still.
Yeah. Not heavy ones. It's already on the same context of what it's working on. Maybe this is just one of those like they're adding a bunch of stuff. Like it's like it looks like it's doing so much more, but it's like it's still slow.
So one other thing that I do want to fix, it's really annoying, is
Yeah.
that spider keeps dying, and we always re-engage in
Yep.
combat.
Yep.
So somehow we have to tell the AI that once an NPC dies, that it needs to remove it either from the browser session or however it's getting the NPC information.
Yeah. Right now, when you defeat an NPC in combat ends. Then when you walk a few more steps, you re-engage in combat with that NPC. There needs to be work done so that the NPC is removed until its respawn occurs.
Yep.
Okay. I noted it in linear as all so far. Don't wanna context shift too much while we're in the middle of this. Yeah.
Did you get a loot window?
I did. I got a loot window, and even though you accepted yours, mine stayed up. So.
Oh, it doesn't actually show any spider legs.
I got them, so I got 2 spooder legs. So something is.
Did you really?
I did, and I did loot it. So I'm wondering if there is that inventory loot system is still needing some work, right? So I'll add a bug. God, just
Do you have a?
Yeah.
Do you happen to have a backpack?
I have a backpack, small backpack.
I think that's what the issue is. If you have a backpack, the inventory will go into the pack. If you don't have any packs whatsoever, I think what's happening is it's adding it to the backpack, but the backpack isn't showing up on this character.
So
And so
so item looting backpack. If a player does not have a backpack, they should be given like a warning, right? When they click loot, or do you have any thoughts around that?
no, yeah, they should never not have a backpack.
Oh, so then, what do you think
It-
the bug is? How would you spell out that bug then?
I don't think it's a bug right now.
Yeah.
Let me just check right now just to make sure. But I think what happened is somewhere along the way, the character inventory got screwed up.
Yeah.
I don't know which character this
Yeah.
is. So Clerky is this ID 479. Let's go into character inventory. Look for character ID 479. Backpack. Oh, wrong one. 479. I don't even see a backpack for 479. Well, that's not good. Huh. Okay. Let me just check that.
Mm-hmm.
Let me just check this. Wow. Still going.
Damn. I feel like it's been doing hard rewrites each
I
time.
know.
Like it's been slicing out a lot of code.
Yeah, see how there's like spider leg? 479 is Clerky here.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, well. PC, mail, Croonin, blah, blah, blah. Where's your name, Clerky? Croonin? PC? Clerky. Yep. Okay, cool. Just making sure. Spider leg. Spider leg. Spider leg. Hind torch. Chest. That's right. All these spider legs. There's the small backpack.
Mm-hmm. So it's there, right?
It's not in the. Oh, it's not in the right spot.
Oh, okay. I wonder how that happened. I don't think you would have manually done anything, so.
I think what happened is when I created the character. This is the bug. Yeah, this is the bug. If we want a bug for this.
Yeah.
When creating a brand new character, it's supposed to start with a backpack and certain items in the automatically being assigned to the backpack slot.
So when creating a new character, it should start with the backpack and other items. Right now, the character is not starting with the correct backpack and items in the correct slots. How's that sound?
Yep. Yep.
Okay, got it.
So you do see spider legs though in your backpack?
Correct. I can't see it on the database if that's true, but I see it in my slot. Yeah, in my small backpack.
So you're on Sir Clay right now.
Correct.
Right?
I'm in Sir Clay right now. Yep.
Yep. So no. This is you right here. AO blah 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 blah. So yeah, this right here, this item is a spider. Oh, lesser. You probably have a lesser potion of stamina as well.
I do have two of them.
Yeah. So this item right now, yeah, there's two lesser potion of staminas. You're in this item, whatever this item is. This item, I guarantee you, is your backpack.
I have two of them, maybe. I only see one backpack.
No. You have two
Okay.
potions of stamina.
Yep. I
The
got two
location of it
spooderlings
is
and a tome. Yep.
Yep. So you have two spider legs.
Mhm, okay.
And yeah, like you said,
Okay.
you have a tome of mighty strike.
Yep.
Yeah. So for Clerky, I just need to get the ID of the backpack and change these spider legs to it.
Okay. Why don't you just give yourself a backpack, or maybe what if you just get rid of it entirely and we'll start from there again? That way we can be clean. Any thoughts? I guess we can manually readjust on the fly. That's fine too.
Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah.
And then let's do a push and try one last final QA sesh. This is the good one last final vote.
All right. I don't think it. Let's see here. All right. Well, if you say so.
Mm-hmm.
Or you'd want me to ask the other question?
Yeah, let's throw that last one in there.
So the got removed from the party, that one?
That
and then
one,
you
yeah,
had a
just
different
that one.
Okay.
That one I had working previously, so I'm wondering if something changed along the way. And then let's commit and push after this. I'm hoping this is fast. Holy shit. It should be like a one-liner for this one.
Ye of much faith. It's going to say ye of little faith, but you have much faith in it.
I have much faith, but the AI has been letting me down today. Hey, but I hope you felt good. That we actually did get some actions to pull off at the same time. That was pretty cool.
We did.
Yeah.
And the spider did attack only one of us, right?
I think so.
Did you actually see my health going down on your screen,
I'll be
though?
a friend. I wasn't paying attention to that, unfortunately. So
Okay.
no, I'm glad to know. I'll pay attention to that one. Yeah,
What is it
looks like
doing?
it hung.
What's going on? Are you stuck? I don't think so.
Show me
I
a
think
loading bar, asshole.
I think he was taking a nap. I think he was at his desk like humans, and it's just like he was nodding off.
He's
there.
just not. No, I'm awake. I'm awake.
No, I wasn't napping.
I wasn't
I
napping
was looking
at
down
all.
at my computer. I was looking at my notes.
Yeah, there's just a half empty bottle of whiskey. He's like, I'm here. I'm here.
For a one-line fix, this is taking quite the route of analysis.
Yeah, it's like, let me go read the entire code base again. This is crazy. Come on, dude. Especially since I added that rule where files are supposed to be small. I hope it's been keeping that. I'm gonna check the PRs.
Which rule is that?
Let me look. It is the rule of
Modularization standards?
yeah, that one. That sounds right. Yeah, that one.
These are not one-line fixes.
I know.
Yeah,
I'm a little confused why it's so heavy. Everything that. So today I noticed everything's been heavy.
yeah. I wonder if it's because of new composer. I wonder if it's like choosing like codecs or something rather than our typical Claude models.
I don't know. Yeah, because I did have that working. I see. Which one never ran. You never got a. Okay, so maybe because of new work that was made, it didn't update existing work. But that's shitty. Okay, I trust it.
Okay.
But that just means our manual QA is heavy. Yeah.
You had one more question that you didn't share.
Fuck, I don't remember.
You typed it up, but you didn't want to share it because you didn't want me to switch contexts too much.
Oh, I wrote it down in linear. It was about
Oh,
no, don't worry. I got you. It
okay,
was
okay, cool.
it was a bug on linear. It was the character backpack stuff. When creating a new character, it should start with the backpack and other items. Right now, the character is not starting with the correct backpack and correct items on the right slots. I did note it.
Excellent, thank you.
Yeah, no worries.
So, render is rendering.
Let me double check. We are in deploy.
Okay.
Last QA of the day. What do you think? I think it's gonna get it. Should we go to the voting? I don't know. Now that I said it out loud, I don't know if I believe myself.
So here's the thing.
Yeah.
I mean, what's the definition of get it? Like, what's the definition of success here?
To me, there could be still UI bugs. I don't count UI bugs. Like, I don't count UI bugs. I count does the functionality work. That's my personal opinion on that one.
And what's the functionality in this case? Because there was a lot of functionality there.
I think that we should be able to enter combat with that spider, and it should just behave the way that we expect. How about that? Enter combat with the spider and have actual turn-based, turn-based stuff. Yeah. Deploy is live.
Okay. And what are you, yes or no?
My mind says no, but my body says yes. You know what I mean? Like,
you can only choose one, dude.
All right, I will say yes. I will say yes. Ooh, there we go. We're visualizing success. I like it.
All right. I am going to refresh
As
for
you should.
reals though.
Yep.
Like,
How is this? That doesn't even make sense. That's a weird bug.
unknown.
And you're in their party and can't leave, so that sucks.
I was gonna say, like, yeah, we need to get the leave button.
We
in here.
do,
I
we do,
can't
we
leave.
do. And I see you, Clerky, without a party, actually, just like how you see me without a party. Like, let me try here. Like, let me do this. Oh, yeah, you should just log out. I was gonna say it's weird that you saw yourself in a party.
Yeah, I can't invite you to a party because I'm in a party. So
Yeah. And if I invite you to a party, let's see what happens. Yep, player is already in a party. Okay. I wonder if you.
I want to leave the party.
Yeah, I have a feeling you're still gonna be in the party when you come back.
Yep.
Yep. This time you have party text though. If that makes you feel better at all.
I don't. You don't look like you're in a party though.
I
with
am
me.
not, but you have party text. Yep.
So how do I get out of the party?
Do you mind maybe logging into another character? Maybe we'll just do that.
I don't mind.
Yeah.
So you
Let
want me to log out of
note-
Clerky?
Yeah, let me add that as a bug. Do I have leave party? I don't have anything for leave party. So let me see. Let me see party. Okay, bug. Unable to leave a party. I had that. I swear to God I had that. Okay. I'm gonna hit refresh again. You are Jasper. I'll invite you, Jasper. Alright, let's roll out.
Let me follow you.
Sure.
Follow. Snap. Snap to clay.
Yep, I see it working. Okay. Combat. I see 2 timers. I will make a choice. Cool, the timer went away on me. Brown spider hits Sir Clay's. I didn't see you do a thing. Did you click rest?
No, I hit attack. You can see in the logs. No, it didn't.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Okay. I'm gonna hit rest. Now I missed the brown spider when I clicked rest.
Wah,
I'm
wah.
gonna click attack.
Yeah, I'm not attacking at all.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, I did click attack, so I'm gonna click attack one more time.
I see your health going down on my screen.
That's good. That's good.
And I can see your timer going
Yes.
away. That's good. And
This is really good actually in that regards. This is actually going great.
Yep.
So it's
interactive. I can see.
I'm gonna hit rest again. Can you hit attack?
Yep.
I'm gonna do. If you can keep hitting attack, I'm gonna keep hitting rest for just a couple tries.
Yep.
Brown spider. Yeah. So it's not letting me rest, and it's not letting you do the attack. So that's the same bug that we had from earlier as well. That was weird. I'll go attack now. Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna try flee. Maybe you try attack when I hit flee after your next thing.
Yep.
Gonna click flee.
Yep.
You fled from combat. That doesn't seem right, right?
No.
Okay. So, how do you think that... Oh, and I'm getting a lot of combat initiated in the system log after that. Do you see it? Look, I can force it to happen over and over.
Yeah.
Huh. Alright, so how should we document this? That was a probably... I don't know, that was kind of a no and a kind of a yes.
That was a hard no.
Yeah, okay, got it. I can live with that. So, right now... there is still an issue of if one player chooses attack, it doesn't and another chooses attack, it seems only one of them attacks the NPC. There should be the ability, and also and then if, okay, how about this? Right now, if there's still an issue if player A chooses attack and player B chooses attack, and then if player A chooses attack and player B chooses to rest, it will show player B attacks. Okay, I noted that one. What else did we get? Do you remember what else we were running into? It is not displaying if anyone rests, right?
Yep, that's correct.
If they choose that as an option. Can you think of anything else? If one person flees, it seems the entire party still flees.
Yep.
This should be by player. So how about this? If somebody who's not a party leader flees, they should be unfollowing the party leader, right? Would you agree with that?
No.
Okay.
Because you don't actually flee until the entire party flees is
Right.
the issue.
Right.
That almost needs to be like, if I have successfully fled, you take me out of combat, but you don't move me.
Yeah.
The only time you actually get moved is if the entire party successfully flees.
Also, if a player flees, they shouldn't re-aggro the NPC. Okay. There is also a bug that once the party flees, it will constantly say combat initiated, but no, if they go within the aggro tiles of an NPC, but combat doesn't actually re-engage. Let me know how you feel about that.
Also, it didn't actually update the zone spawn. Maybe that's why we're getting aggro?
Fuck, I'm not sure.
I like all those. That seems good.
Okay. I got time for one more roll if you want to roll one more.
Yep.
This is like D&D, by the way. We're rolling for success.
Yeah. Exactly. Please ask any clarifying questions.
Right. Is our charisma too low to handle cursor? Is this what's happening right now?
That's probably what's going on.
Mm-hmm.
We're all just too fugly.
Mm-hmm. Or is our luck too low? I don't know.
It's probably luck. That's what it is.
Mm-hmm.
But this
Hard red.
Not even close.
Mm-mm.
Not even close.
So if we just kept saying no today, we'd be up big right now in our game.
So here's the thing. Didn't it work though when I seemed like we regressed.
We did. At some point we were both clicking attack and it was working.
Yes.
Could we be caching at all, do you think? I'm trying to think.
In the browser, you think?
Yeah, but I don't think we're caching. But I could see that being a potential issue as well. Let's see. So no more combat. I'm going back and forth and that doesn't seem to work. Okay.
Why are you not triggering aggro?
I'm not sure.
The mob isn't dead.
Nope. Yeah. And I see your system log. Let's see. I don't see your system log triggering it, but mine does. Like, it's 701. Let me try again. Yeah, do you see how I can update the system log? I see it on your side too.
Yep.
But if you go and do that, it doesn't seem to happen.
It did.
Oh, it did. It did. Okay, I'm not seeing in the system log for you.
Really?
Yeah, mine's not updating. Is yours up? Mine last one is 70222.
Yeah, mine's just 70233, and I have combat initiated 4 or 5 times in a row.
Got it. So you're seeing my system log, but I'm not seeing your system log also. Jesus Christ, this is gonna suck. Alright, I'm gonna write that down as a bug in linear. Damn, dude, I feel like we're just like in a web of issues now. Let's see. Bug. System log. Not updating for all party members. Seems like maybe it's just the party leader. Yeah, I'm not seeing yours at all. So let me try to identify. Where was that guy?
I just got disconnected from the server and connected to the server.
Huh.
I didn't push anything.
Yeah. I see it. I see what you're saying.
Did you get disconnected too?
I didn't. I'm still here. But I can tell you disconnected because whenever a disconnect happens, the person in the party, their avatar turns. Yeah, so I do see it.
Okay.
Fuck, dude, we were so close today. We were so close that I could feel it. You know what I mean? Like, fuck.
I know. I was getting optimistic too.
Yeah, we were really close. We were really close. There's still a lot of weird party nonsense, like with the disconnects and stuff. That was all working for me, so we took a step back there somehow. But like as you noticed, we're taking steps back in little random places here and there.
Yeah,
Because I did do manual QA on disconnects to figure that part out. Damn.
it's interesting. I don't know why clouds are in audio as well. I don't know why that's. Anyway.
Okay, I refresh and combat is working for me again. Solo. Okay. I just fleed. Oh, now I'm on the other side of the map. Let's see. Cool, I'm back. Okay. You can invite me to your party, maybe, and then actually we can just wait for the build. I guess let's do that. Let's see where cursor's at, or we can try combat again. See if we can find more
Still
bugs.
thinking.
Yeah, no worries. Maybe we can try combat again. I just followed you. Maybe we can try this one more time.
I can see on the mini map. See the yellow dot? That means that the server thinks there's a mob there, even though the client isn't showing it.
I don't see your timer, and you don't see my timer.
Nope.
Oh, it just snapped really quick. I'll click attack. Okay, our timers are back in sync again. Sir Clay deals that damage.
Boom! 6 damage, dude!
Yeah. So if I click, I'm going to click attack again. Have you been clicking attack?
I just clicked attack, yeah.
Okay. I clicked attack also. So we have not been seeing your character attack, but my character attacks. And this time you were the party leader, so it's not the party leader.
And look at you. You hit the brown spider. You just demolished that spider.
Those are nearly some crits, huh? Let's see.
I know.
Damn, I'm kind of at a loss. We didn't find enough clues.
I got fat loot. Look at this. 27 copper worth of spider legs.
Oh, where'd you get all that money?
Dude, I'm telling you, dude. I've been grinding hard. I got a silver bar worth 20 silver.
Dang, you can craft some nice armor with those spider legs, probably. That many at least.
I know. I got fat loots, dude.
I just got a random one. Yeah, I'm seeing different system log stuff than you too. Damn. All right. We'll have to need some
Let's go back. I know time crunch here, so
no,
let's
good. Yeah. Let's do another push and one more try, yeah. No, I know it's not caching because the timers were working. So
flea suppression is 60 seconds per spawn key what you want? What? What the hell is that? I don't even know what it's talking about here.
I don't even know either.
The hell's a spawn key?
And let's answer the other
Six.
questions on one go too, and then go from there. Yeah.
And why does it have six? I don't know why I said that. What was that?
Let's answer the other questions before we hit enter, just to give it some.
Yeah.
Who should be ignored by aggro after flee?
Only the character who fled.
Everyone who was in that encounter. Yeah, only the character who fled, unless everyone in the party chose to flee. That's what I would say.
Yeah. Successfully fled.
Yeah, good call. I don't even know what that's asking.
Yes. That's what I want. Yes. Yes. We don't want solo characters who fled to get combat initiated spam.
I'm confused by what it's asking. I'm actually so confused by all the way it's framing things. I believe it's to be yes. That's fine. I just... Is it getting more dumb? Jesus, I have no idea. I'm like, what? I have no idea. Like, these aren't even like real questions that I would even be able. These aren't like English, you know. Like, it's like very confusing.
From now on, we don't ask it to ask us clarifying questions.
God, but then it's just gonna go rogue.
It's gonna be asking clarifying questions about shit that's not even remotely related to
Stupid
this.
Junior, ask English questions.
It's gonna be asking us about like Super Bowl predictions and the weather and all the shit you chit chat about.
Oh my gosh.
Really? You have to explore to explain spawn keys?
But it already knew about spawn keys, so it shouldn't have to reread that same shit. I don't know. You're wasting your tokens, dude.
I know. Come on. You can do better than this.
And it's already letting some files grow out of control again. I'm noticing we're hitting like 600 lines, so it's not following certain rules.
So you think it's ignoring this?
I don't know if it's ignoring it or if it's like, 600's fine. You know, like, I'm just kind of like, I don't think so,
Yeah.
dude. I specifically told you to modularize. Well, I'm glad it's documenting as it goes for what it's doing, because then it's giving itself context. I am appreciative of that.
Spawn keys from encounter field.
Turn spawn key split. So spawn key would be an array. It's splitting that array up by a random pipe. Couldn't tell you why. Then you trim out. Then you trim it, and then you filter it for true. What? Spawn key? I don't even know how spawn key looks.
I have no clue what this is.
Yeah.
It's a string array. What?
Yeah. And it has to be an array because it's running a split on it with a pipe.
Wow. Tough day today.
Yeah.
Maybe this is a lesson for the future, though. Maybe it was too complicated. Maybe we needed to break it down into simpler terms or simpler tasks.
Yeah.
Problem is now we have all this extra code.
I think it'll be fine. I think it'll be okay. Because at least it's self-documenting, so at least it can tell itself when it goes through these files again what the issue is. Yeah. Okay.
I don't even know what this means. Use fake timers?
This is fine. It's because there was an issue where, let's say I fled, I'm still within the aggro square, so even though I fled, then I'm being re-aggroed in. That's what this is.
Use fake timers?
That's just using it for, what do you call it, for its own testing purposes. I think it's fine. If you go look at the method, I don't think it's too crazy.
Oh, this is the test. I see.
Yeah, it's just a test, yeah.
Okay. Use a stable string ID for one NPC spawn cell on the map. Built the same way everywhere aggro party combat expects it.
All right, fuck it, dude. One more roll. Let's see. One more roll.
Yeah. Oh, I can't. Sorry. I can't do an up arrow to
And I can confirm. So here's what happened. We fled from combat, right? And I clicked refresh. Good news. We're still in the party. But I'm immediately thrown right back into combat, and my timer is frozen. So I just wanted to throw that. It's like a random. I'm like on my own.
Oh,
and you're back in it, or are you in a different instance? Oh, we're in the same instance again. I made my choice. Weird. So there is a little bit of a timer discrepancy. It looks like, and I am stuck on follow with you. Oh, you're moving, but I'm not. Okay, I am moving. Cool. Okay. Fuck, this is weird, dude. This is sketchy. This is sketchy.
So sketchy.
Yeah. That was like a 2 steps forward. That was like a 5 steps forward, 4 steps back. That's how that was weird.
Really?
Today?
I thought it was more like 6 steps forward and 12 steps backwards near the end.
Yeah. No, it was a weird day. But then it's like the combat was still pretty cool. Like that, I didn't want to undersell how cool that was to see today. But then, like,
for a brief shining moment,
yeah,
when we were both attacking, I thought it was nailed, and then AI disappointed me yet again.
Deploy is live. So I'm just gonna log out. Let me try that.
Yeah, me too.
Okay, good call. Let's see.
Oh.
I'm gonna try a different character.
Me too. Wesley, you're in. I see someone because I see their name tag through the walls.
Yep.
Too far away. Who is this? I'm inspecting Vincent Diesel.
It's actually Vincent Diesel.
Oh, man.
Oh, I disconnected and came back. Random. I lost you.
Yep.
Okay, let
me
try
too.
again.
I disconnected from the server.
And so now we don't see each other for some odd reason. That's a bug.
I don't even know. Yeah.
Huh. Oh, you know what? Maybe there was a backend deploy as well. Sorry, I didn't pay attention to that. That's my guess. Okay, everything is deployed. I have a feeling that was a backend deploy that did that. I'll accept. I will click follow to Wesley. Snap to Rep Wesley. Cool.
Nice. We're going to kill this spider.
I'm going to choose to attack on the first one. Maybe you do too. We'll do that first test.
Yep.
Okay.
Oh, hold on a second.
Yeah, no worries.
I don't even have a weapon equipped.
That's probably better for us to do for QA, actually.
Oh, I just did. I just equipped it. Now we're going to kill this thing.
I didn't even equip anything. I was just barehanding this guy. All right, cool.
Were you?
Yeah. Attack. Vincent misses. Wesley misses. Cool. Okay, that's good. That's good. Did you make a choice?
I did.
I'm going to do rest. Hey! I'm gonna go attack. Okay. I'm gonna go rest again. I'll go rest.
Me too. My health is fading.
Hey, dude, this is actually working.
Oh no!
This is-
AI at the last minute, the 11th hour.
Yeah. I'm gonna click attack.
Me too. Oh, we suck.
Can you do a rest and I'll do an attack?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna do a rest and you would do an attack, okay? That looks good. I'm gonna do a flee. Maybe you do an attack.
Yep.
Okay, that works.
Oh, you moved. No, you fled.
I fled. Yeah, we're good. So that's actually good, I would say, right?
No, that's bad.
Why?
You can't actually move out of combat. You need to be stuck in combat, but you're just like in a separate non-aggro zone. So
Correct.
you need like an indicator on your character sheet that
Okay, then this is not new. Whenever I click flee, it always kicks me into a random place. That's always been true for me.
right when you solo, that's the thing that is supposed to happen. When you're soloing and you flee, if you successfully flee, it moves you somewhere else.
I got it. So
In a
bug.
party, though,
Yeah. Don't give me solo flee logic with moving tiles. Okay, no, I follow. I should just be in my same spot and not re-aggro. Okay,
you should not be targetable. You left combat, but you didn't move yet until
I
the
understand.
entire party.
No, I understand. I understand.
Okay.
Okay. And you killed. Okay, you killed the spider, I presume.
I killed that bad bear.
A loot
no
window
doubt.
came up for me.
Which is well, it should.
Oh, it should. Okay.
Yeah. It doesn't matter if you fled or not. If the party actually wins combat, every member. Although we shouldn't. I mean, we should probably figure out if we want fled members to have loot or not.
Right. Which, no worries, we can come around. That's more of like a gameplay refinement. I thought that was negative because if you weren't in combat, you shouldn't be given loot for something. But I'm cool with either way. Yeah.
I think that's how it should behave for sure.
Okay, and I got XP and everything, and I'm still on follow, but I'm somewhere else from you. So if you move, I'm gonna snap to you. I bet.
No. Oh, yeah, you did.
Yep. So
Close. So this is really close.
Hey, that was. Now suddenly I feel way better about today. I don't know how you feel.
Oh, you didn't. I put my no in here. You didn't put yours.
I would have said no.
Would you?
I'm gonna be honest. I would have said no.
Wow, dude, we were both wrong.
That was pretty good. Hey, did AI kind of hit a buzzer beater right there? That was pretty cool.
It did hit a buzzer beater.
Hey, I feel pretty good about that
a Hail
today.
Mary at the end.
That was good work today. Now, ooh,
Wow.
we threw a
crazy
whole bunch of
how-
different situations at it, and it took it.
Yep.
Cool. Fuck, dude, I'm feeling good. That was tight.
That was amazing.
Yeah. How do you?
What a
do you
great
feel?
way to end it.
Sorry, what was that? Yeah. Do you feel like the game is coming together now with that in place? I feel like that's huge, right? Yeah.
That's super huge.
Yeah. Okay.
Wow. Well done today. I take back everything that I said about your ancestry.
I will note that it said NPC defeated plus 15 XP, and I didn't gain any XP. So I saw it in the system log, but I didn't gain XP. So how would you note that as a bug, maybe?
How do you know you didn't gain XP?
I have the XP bar, so maybe we can check the database if it came through. But
Yeah.
And it looks like you got
I-
2 XPs on yours.
Well, it says that. I don't know that it actually did.
Yeah, I think there's a bug with XP then on the system log. System log.
So I don't know. The problem is I don't know how much XP you had before this.
I'm on Vincent Diesel, so
Oh, that's true.
So I'm on 0 XP still. So
Yeah. So that's definitely, it's not saving it to the database.
So and what about you? What was the character you just used?
I used Wesley.
And does he have XP?
I have 15, but I don't know if I had XP before this.
Okay, no worries. And it showed up twice. So system log just has bugs.
Yeah.
It needs to properly sync depending on if there's one user or another. So right now, if I am in a party but not in combat, I'm not getting XP. I'm pretty sure that's what it is.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Alright. We have so many bugs, holy shit. But we're like entering like a fun place where there's so many things to work on now, which is crazy.
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, cool. Fuck, you got any outros? I feel good about this now. This is great.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I was gonna do a plug. Do you want to go first, or do you want me to?
Please go first. I'll cook something up.
All right. So yeah, this mop on my head here, this is just driving me insane. So I'm about to get it cut off tomorrow.
Love it.
So just a little plug for anyone in the Sacramento area. If you're in Northern California, go to the barber, Ivory Adcock. He does amazing work. So yeah, plug for Ivory.
Dude, your hair is
Won't even
strong though, by
recognize
the
me.
way. It's pretty good.
What's that?
You have a strong hair situation.
I do it. This is definitely, I don't know. It's got a mind of its own, but it literally could do anything with it. I could do flock of seagulls crap. I could
Yeah.
like flick it back. I could do anything with this thing.
You could slick it back and be like an 80s like mob villain, dude.
I know exactly. Look at
Yeah.
this. This is
Yeah.
so good. I
Very
will say
cool.
this.
You don't have to go to
As an old
Turkey
man-
anytime soon, dude. This is pretty cool.
As an old man, I won't be losing my hair. I'll be one of
Yeah,
those silver-haired
awesome.
foxes.
Awesome.
Anyway. Shout out to Ivory.
Cool. I'll do a haircut one. Shout out to, I don't know their business name. Oh gosh. I've been going to see someone that I used to see when I was a kid. I don't know their name. Oh man, let's see. For my hair, I think it's called Expert Haircuts in Folsom.
Shout out to Expert Haircuts.
$15 for a haircut. Good in this economy, actually.
Nice. I know, no tariffs. No.
I was seeing a barber downtown for the longest time, and that shit was like fucking $40, and I'm like, I'm good. I just need cheap haircuts.
There you go. So shout out to both of our hair stylists.
Thank you for keeping us fresh. Do you know what we're gonna get tomorrow?
I'm thinking it's gonna be short. I'm tired of this mop. This thing
You
is
had a
so
very
damn
short haircut
long.
for the longest time too, like nearly a
I
buzz
did.
for a minute, right? Yeah.
That's because I was doing it myself.
Mm-hmm.
And it's just so much easier when I did my electric razor. I would just shave it all off.
Right,
no fuss
right.
from us.
Are you
Now that I'm
are you
cool
gonna
and
be
I'm
creative
paying
this time?
someone.
Maybe try something new.
Like what?
I don't
You got
know,
any
maybe-
recommendations?
I don't know. You could do like a one fade up and then keep it like parted one direction. You could do it's really big with the Asian dudes right now doing a part.
I don't know what that is, dude.
Oh,
like
just having
this?
your hair be able to part in two different directions. You know,
I don't know if my hair can do that.
with enough product, your hair can do anything it wants.
It's true. We'll see. I'll ask Ivory tomorrow if he
There
has
you go.
recommendations.
Get a
Yeah.
hint from a professional. Yeah.
That's right.
All right,
Exactly. All right. Great session.
Well, shit, dude. Today went from a 2 or a 3 to like a 7, 8, or 9, maybe. That was
Easily.
pretty good.
Yep. Good stuff.
All right, good sesh. I'll talk to you soon, bro.
All right.